In the previous part, I've explained how a digital differential relay protection relay works. First, the relay converts the analog value to digital value with A to D module. After that, based on the sampled values, digital values, the relay calculates the phasor values using Fourier transform. Most of the relay manufacturers use Fourier transform to calculate the phasor values. Yes, I explained about these parameters and moving data window. And after that, the relay calculate IDIF and I restraint based on the parameters which we set in the relay. For instance, in the transformer data, we have to enter the parameters in the tab power system data 1, index 4 and separate 4 relays 7UT6. We should use these parameters, we should enter these parameters, and for separate 5 also we should set the parameters. Based on these parameters, the relay calculate IDIF and I restraint for different relays. And here you can see the equations for IDIF and I restraint parameters. And I explained it about the transformer case. In case of a transformer, as you know, the CT at the both sides of the objects are different, has different ratios, this CT and this CT. So they really need extra calculations. I explained this to normalize the values with an example in the previous part. So after calculating IDIF and I restraint for each phase, there is a separate differential algorithm for each phase, phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. And